Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to etch a glass using Armour Etch etching cream. This, you're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need a vinyl stencil. I just cut the word smile out because, hey, everybody should smile. Of course, you're going to need your glass, your Armour Etch etching cream. You can get this at Hobby Lobby. A pair of gloves, a heat gun, or a blow dryer, and of course some transfer tape to put over your decal. So the first thing you're going to need to do, of course, is to put your transfer tape on your decal. Apply your decal to your glass, which I did that off camera because I'm doing this with one hand. After that, you're going to go ahead and remove your transfer tape. After you get your decal on there, you're going to take your heat gun, turn it on, and just go over the design a bit. What this is going to do is make sure that the decal sticks to the glass a little more. It helps to eliminate any of those things called fingers where you get those little spots where the etching cream can go underneath your decal. The thing you really want to do is make sure that you shake your Armour Etch etching cream. So I'm going to go ahead and give this, now that you have your decal on there the way you want to go ahead and take your gloved finger, put the etching cream on there, and then you want to go ahead and rub it into the open spaces. After you've rubbed it into all the open spaces, add a little bit more on top and let it sit for 45 seconds. After it's done sitting for the 45 seconds, take your finger, go over the design, and just rub it in a circular motion. What this does is kind of moves the cream around so that it gets any spot that you didn't get before. After you have rubbed it around again and let it sit for 45 more seconds, you want to go ahead and take it to your sink and rinse off the etching cream. Forgive my dirty sink. This is my utility sink, so it's pretty dirty. So you just go ahead and rinse it off. Probably should still have my glove on, but I'm going to get this stuff off of here pretty quickly. So you just go ahead and rinse off the etching cream. Make sure it's off of all of it, the glass. It's still wet. Go ahead and remove your vinyl decal. After your decal's off, get your paper towel. Go ahead and dry the design. Then we'll be able to see how this turned out. And there we are. This is the glass completed and dried. The etch is nice and dark. And we were able to do this in a little bit under 2 minutes. If you guys like this video or have any questions, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment below any questions you might have. And subscribe. Share with your friends. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.